Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? This is Sean coming right back at you with another video from Foreshore Family. Today I want to share with you my rendition of a Seattle dog. Now, a Seattle hot dog is one you might find at a food truck right outside the club. You know, you get outside the club, you're really hungry, and I tell you, it's one of the delicious things I've had in my life. So without any further ado, let's get it. Alright, so let's go over the ingredients for this Seattle dog. Of course, you're going to need some hot dogs. Alright, and then I'm gotta go with my bacon. I'm going to wrap these suckers with bacon. That's what I do. I'm sorry. I love it. This is totally optional, but that's what I'm going to do. You might need some toothpicks to wrap the bacon. We'll see when we get there. And of course, we got some hot dog buns. And because we're using an air fryer, we're going to need some kind of cooking spray to make sure it's completely lubricated. Now, the toppings we're going to do for the Seattle dog, what makes it a Seattle dog, it has to have cream cheese. Today I'm using this Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'm using the whipped version to make it easier, and this actually got some chives in it. You can use any kind you want. You can go plain. You can do softened actual cream cheese if you want to. It's just, this makes it a little easier to work with. Also, we're gonna put some grilled onions on it. These are typically used in the Seattle dog, but it's not necessary. You know, you can grill your onions, and saute them, caramelize them, do whatever you want with them. Today I'm just going to grill them a little bit, or saute them a little bit with some oil. And this is the oil I'm going to be using, some olive oil, also a little bit of butter, and I'm going to throw some seasoning in it. Throw some garlic herbs, a little salt, and of course pepper. This is pretty much all you need right here, or you can, you know, change it up as you feel fit. So let's get it started. Alright, so we got some hot dogs, we got a couple slices of bacon. Alright, so we're going to take it, wrap it around, real simple like. Now I actually wanted to use some sausage, andouille sausage with it, but I was out, unfortunately. So we might be alright without using the toothpicks, because I'm only doing a couple. If I was doing a bunch, then I probably would use the toothpicks just to keep it a little easier to manage. I think we'll be alright. So we got our hot dogs wrapped with the bacon. You want it tightly wrapped. And as long as I can keep them down like that, I should be okay. Let me put these aside, and I'm gonna throw these in the air fryer and get it going. Now, we're gonna have to preheat our air fryer for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees. So I'm gonna get that preheated, and I'll be right back at you. All right, so we're warming up our pan to a medium to a little medium-high heat. Probably bring it down a little bit. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. Toss it around a little bit. We want to wait till it starts smoking a little bit. Now we know it's nice and hot. Now I really want to try to, I really wanted to caramelize the onions, but that usually takes a little too long. So I'm just going to grill them, saute them right now. I'll go ahead and drop them in there. That's what we want to hear, that little sizzle. Even them out a little bit. Just let them sit. Put a little salt in there to draw out some of that moisture. Hit it with a little pepper, a little bit of garlic, herbs. This is not necessary. This is all you. You can do whatever you want. This is something I like. And you just want to let them go. You don't want to add the butter too early, because butter burns a little faster than oil. But it adds great flavor. So we're going to let these saute up and we'll get back at you in a little bit. Alright, I got my air fryer preheated. I'm going to take the pan and just a little quick spray to get it lubricated. And I'll take my hot dogs, put them in there. Alright, that's it. And then I'm going to pop them in there and for 8 minutes for 400 degrees. Let them go for 400 degrees for 8 minutes. And then I'm going to flip them over and let them go for another 7 minutes. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to get these grilled onions going. Alright, so they've been in for 8 minutes. Oh, they're already looking good. So I'm going to flip them over. Get the other side going. I could have probably used a toothpick on this one, but it's all good. Still going to go down the same way. I'm going to flip it over. We're going to pop these back in for another 7 minutes. And we're going to check on these sauteed onions and see how they doing. Oh yeah, these onions are looking good and they smelling delicious. I wish they invented smell-o-vision for TV or videos. This is, oh my god. But yeah, these are gonna be right for the Seattle dogs. So we're gonna let these go for a little bit longer. They'll be right and ready for when we put this sandwich together. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and toast up our buns. See you when I see you. Alright, so we got our buns toasted. Now we're going to dress it with some sour cream cheese, excuse me. Both sides. Hot dogs are ready to go. So they're going to set them in there. Don't want to cheat. Alright, so next thing we want to do is grab our grilled onions. Be right back at you. Alright, so take a look at those onions. They looking tasty. Trust. Let's top it all up. Just put a little dab of you. Alright, now finish this off. We're just gonna throw a little mustard on it. And then we're gonna go to town. Alright, let's drizzle a little mustard on it. I'm gonna dress it up with a little parsley just for color pop. And there you have it. Seattle dogs, for sure, family style. That's all we have. Hey, thank you for spending your time with me, and make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, I get with you. Peace.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya!